Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel P for Physics. Maybe you are surprised that why am I making these videos about Python in a physics channel? Well, you have to know the fact that in physics we use mathematics as well as computer science to do our tasks in a short time and to deeply understand a problem. So in these videos, I want to introduce a rough idea about programming language, basically Python. So the question is coming in your mind that why Python? Why not any other language? Well, Python is a high-level language which has turned out to be a popular programming language, and it is very easy for beginners to learn a programming language. It has many applications in machine learning, artificial intelligence, web application, data management. Also, it is a open source programming language. That means you don't need to pay for Python software. Python can be freely downloaded from the official website python.Org. So go to that website and download a suitable version according to your computer setup, and I will use here the Python version 2.7 in my computer. You can download this version or any other higher version according to your computer setup. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for the upcoming videos. Until then, take care and goodbye.